What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. What I'm really doing right now, the sun up right now my face, but because I want the good lighting before I go in my dark classroom that is filled with mosquitoes, I wanted to start off my intro because I know in the front part of the video you guys saw more of some silent clips. So today is my first day back at work. I'm back in the struggle. As usual, I would normally curl my hair, but by the time I get to my destination, the breeze blow it out, and I don't know what taxi may I roll it right now. So I can't wind up the window, and I know AC nothing like that. So that's what's up. So I'm gonna try to take you guys throughout my day, fit you in with whatever I can, fill you in with whatever I can, and just keep you guys up to date with my day. So I'm just sad that teaching actually resumed. Teacher work back on track, but it's where the bread is from at this point, so we have to do what we have to do to keep our bread on the table, not true? So that's what's up, and I'll let you guys know what's up. So yeah. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you my lunch bag before we eat up everything, but the bag is partially empty and I have some stuff in the fridge. But this is my lunch bag that I take to school. This morning I brought some soup and some of what you saw in the video. This is what I cooked. So basically empty and so, and then I had my water for the day. And my lunch bag with this is the empty thing. I have some stuff in the fridge down at the canteen, that I'm gonna eat today, you know, like additional stuff. But yeah, so that would be that. I wanna know that school is not face to face, so this is what I look at for the entire day and just do what I can around to help myself, so I am not under pressure for when things are due. Understand? Alright guys, so I am currently welcome back to the channel. I'm currently in court because I need something to put the TV on. So I decided that I'm going to come to court and look and check it out. So if you're new, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I may turn on the camera and show you what I see. Alright, you have this here. I think it's nice, but I don't like this part here. Nope, that part. No. And if I like them fixtures here, cupboard thing, but this don't look bad. This one is 24. What if I know? 28. This one that I said I don't like because of that little fixture right there. It's 19. 23, which not bad. I like this because I could put the pictures here. It's nice, but are these sturdy? This one is 25. Alright. This one not so much a TV stand, but you can use as TV stand. This one is 17 something with that. Alright, this is another option. Look at this one. I don't like the fixtures, the white thing. Those are easy dusty. They don't give the modern vibe with this shade right here for me, so I don't think so. But this one would be 24 and it have a price of 28 something, 700. This is where I would put the card through, but not feel the one at all. Them one here now because they don't have the back panny. It could work, and it could work, but it depends on your style. Cause this one that work out to be like $14,000. Not bad, but them little boxes, so me have more bigger things mother put on it, you understand? Otherwise, like, hey, they have some nice couches in here, you know, but I tell the price them turn up. Look on this could even well in my living room. I just eat a load in there, no TV, no chair. I will squeeze up at the sun road. I just have it as eat a load. Everything else will have to come out. Yeah, nice. Anyways, I saw these options, right? I showed you guys these, but I don't know if I like these doors. I don't know if I like that, but up at top I could have put stuff, you know. Up at top I could have put stuff for this one too. And then I saw this one, but does this one just end here? I saw this one. Not bad. The door there not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. And this one that work out to 25. These couches, I don't think I would bring one of these home. These not my style anymore. Vintage much. Bro, this bed is so comfortable. Listen. This bed comfortable. I don't think that everything is the 40, the 50 something thousand. No, probably just the headboard. The style of what you want your house to be like, but I'm not sure. I don't like the material. The material of what the dress I make out on. I'm not sure. After a while, like these stuff start peel off and you know. But up here, nice, nice. And this is price here. Alright, this look more, you know. I like this style. Not because it outside of it have them longer times design out or so, but it give me, well, this one better suits me. Like here, nice and comfy for your clothes and your underwear. It make you feel like you want to put on your, take out your underwear, your bra, your clothes and put it on. Not true. Yeah. They have a nice, all of a nice like antique stuff too, you know. Yeah. Just waiting on somebody to deal with me because she said she's the only person here upstairs. So I'm just waiting on her to come tell me what I need to know. So last time I just look around, but I don't want no bed and nothing like that. I love them something here, like these stuff. Them mirror there, I have a vibe, not like them just upgrade the house when they have these stuff in your house, make your house feel rich. Listen, I am rocking in this chair here. Cover the money in a car. I'm gonna take my $86 I come by. Look at the width of this. It's the price is where is it? Mr. Sean, $80 and $1,000. I mean, it's a very comfortable, but me want you buy me. Yeah, you buy it for me. Okay, so go on and come back. I could talk about it. Oh God, the chair is comfortable. I get the man said I want me buy me. I want to sit up somewhere. Because I don't want him buy me this area. But I want him buy me this. And me and my man just put out in there. It's all we can hold in there. Comfortable though. And it rock. Nice. I love that for me. Really nice though. Alright, so I look across me. I'm looking across, and this piece is the same price for this so small piece I'm in. So this a fee only go at 90,000 or something. I don't know how it work out. You know, that's not the full price that you pay. It's for them this bigger and it's the same price. Wow. Excuse me, man. This one there, this one is 89. See that? More expensive for this one. Alright guys, the next day, right after the day that I went to court, I mean the previous clip that you just watched. Anyways, I'm going back to Ocherest to go back to court. Yeah, so I came home, spoke with babe about what decision we are going to make in terms of the one that we want and how we're gonna go about to getting it. So I'm going back to court today to do that, and I am going to also look at their dining tables there. I went yesterday and I was looking at some of them, and some of them were really pricey. And I was telling babe, like, to get a dining table is so expensive. Really and truly, it's a lot, but courts, well, what do I think about courts dining table? My perception of them, I was saying that, you know, I was saying that quality, they offer quality stuff. Like, I was really looking at some of the dining tables, and they were of some standard. I won't lie, they are of some sort of standard. So we're gonna go back to courts and see what's happening today, and I'll be sure to record, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome. What's up? This is like a total different far off clip, far from the last clip one I'm probably gonna see, because I have so many videos that I started and did not end up finishing them, so I don't know which one I'm gonna attach this to. But how am I doing? I'm currently in Clarendon and I'm doing stew peas. Today is Sunday. I know say the Catchman food is not a Sunday food. I was watching a vlog and I heard somebody said it's a Wednesday dish. I was not aware of that. I know some persons just really don't like these stuff, like, because they know stew peas serve with white rice. Persons do have it with like rice and peas or boiled dumpling, you know, food. But the traditional thing for stew peas is to be served with white rice. So a Sunday, I'm gonna know so stew peas is not like, as I said, the traditional food for Sunday. Because you have some persons out there like my boyfriend or they don't want no call white rice for Sunday. Furthermore, you know really like white rice. So, but like on Sunday, him say white rice must eat on Sunday, blah 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 blah. So I know for sure stew peas, if me not cook stew peas on Sunday, it would have to be with rice and peas. And you know, stew peas, rice and peas, that kind of connect. Too much peas. So yeah, so to do this, I'm actually doing coconut from scratch. Me broke it. My mother left me the task. She assigned me the task to ox it out. I leak out some of the juice. I'll show you that. I put it in the freezer. It kind of tastes sour, but I don't know if it's good. But put it in the freezer probably because it's hot and it just wake up on me and taste it. I'm never sure. So my ox out, some of them are ready. My hell. My ox out, some of them are ready. So this one actually fell. So I have this one to finish ox out. So yeah, me with the inconsistency not popping around here. So I'm back home in St. Anne. Alright, not in Clarendon anymore. So the stew peas, I forgot to show you guys that. That's done. I had my share out of it, left mommy's share at home, and now I'm home and baby's frying some chicken. So I'm gonna show you what baby is frying. Yeah. So babe frying and frying. Baby recording something now. If I fry chicken, I make a give over here. I make beetroot juice. Him can't make me recording peas. So if I fry chicken, some take out of the pot already. Should I do the taste test to tell you how it tastes? I'm gonna do a taste test. I got a piece of the fried chicken here. Hot. You hot man, no sir? So chicken hot. Chicken hot. Hot man. Alright. The chicken fry, alright. Not bad. Currently home watching some vlogs. Daddy dropped me off. Babe, I blend the drinks. So that's what's popping for today. Sorry about me being all over the place, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm having some dinner right now. So yeah. Some beetroot juice. I'm not going to drink off all of this though, but yeah. And to end out the vlog, I'm just gonna let you guys see that we're currently watching Lucifer and chilling. Yeah. So if you guys have made it to the end of this vlog, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't, because if you made it to the end of this vlog, that means you actually like my content. So I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.